Hard to believe, but our journey started 45 years ago. 8 cylinders, 90 degrees from one another, in the form of a V. It was love at first sight. Lightweight alloy at the heart. You made the Porsche 928 icon. Then the Cayenne. Our first 4-door. Uncompromising off-road. Our love knows no bounds. Sometimes going above and beyond. The fastest SUV on the Nürburgring. Still a true performer. And your heartbeat? It rang out on the pro racing circuit too. You fought and won, owned the street. Paired with electric power, the 918 Spider made us fall in love all over again. Other forms, you still shine. The Panamera, on the road, on track, doing things no one would expect, but making it a true Porsche. Responsive, efficient, and just as thrilling as you were 45 years ago. And now, on to a new challenge and a new era. Combining ideas old and new as our hybrid V8s take to the track. This Valentine's Day, our heart belongs to the V8.
Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and subscribe the channel.